Hello guys, my name is Pratham Rohit and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a frog. In my last video I showed you how to make a chess horse. The frog is going to look something like this. So let's start making the frog. First, count 12 from any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now move this piece twice. 1 and 2. Now from here turn this down. Do the same with the other side. Now count 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. Move this piece up once. Turn it around and do the same with this side. 1, 2, 3. Turn this up. Now count 1 and turn this up. Same with the other side. 1 and this piece up. Now 1. Turn this piece twice. 1 and 2. Now from here take 1 and 2 and turn this down. Now count 1 and turn this outside. Now this piece should be connected here like this. I'll be doing the same thing with the other side. 1, move it twice. 1, 2, move it down. 1, move it outside. Connect this piece with this. Now 1, 2, move this piece down. Do the same with the other side. And here's the